Stop spending hours in Photoshop trying to change a logo into a single color. Thanks to this super cool hack from Certified Canva Expert Joanna Sherrow, you can now change a logo into one color in less than 60 seconds. Now, this does require a Canva Pro account to do this, so if you don't already have a Pro account, then go into the description and grab the link and get yourself a free 14-day trial of Canva Pro. Now, I'm going to show you how to change this logo into one color like this in less than 60 seconds. Let's go. All right, start the clock. Here we go. We're going to change this logo into one color. First things first, we got to remove the background. As you'll see, there is a bit of a gray background on there. So select the image, go edit, click on background remover. Again, this is only available in the Pro account, so make sure you got that. Hit apply so that that stays. Then we're going to go and find duotone. You can search it in the effects. Once we're on duotone, click anyone, doesn't really matter. Go ahead and click it again, so twice, so we can get into the settings. Change the highlights to really any color you want, but we're going to do black for this one. And just make sure it is both the same color. Again, hit apply on the bottom. Do not forget that part. And there you have it. You've got yourself a black and white logo. Woo, that was a quick one. If you guys really like that one, go ahead and hit up Joanna Sherrow. She is a certified Canva expert and she knows a ton about Canva. So go check her out.